Ooh, bilog. Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something exciting and sweet food, and I just call it chocolate bar, white chocolate bar. No, so I have here some melting chocolate wafer. No, salamat sa naghatag. Thank you, thank you. And then inipagid, I have here Ovaltine. This is like Ovaltine with a crunch inside. Ano, I got this recipe because Mom Tess Balgos made me try the, ano gani naman, Dubai chocolate. So, it's just an inspiration. It's not exactly like that because why ko kaputol where to buy that pistachio cream. Tiyan mo lang niya. No? And then, I have here some, ano gani mold. Chocolate mold. No? Chocolate bar mold. Pero duha lang. And then this one, so subong, what I'll do is I will put this in the microwave and then melt it. No? So dali lang, balik lang once it's melted. Sige, let us. Okay, so here is my melted white chocolate. Melted na siya. No? And then I have here our mold. Our mold, I just put some chocolate leaf. No, para may garnish lang. Okay, now let us spread. Spread na lang. Dason, I will put this in the refrigerator. May bilog pa oh. I'll put this in the freezer so that it will set and then I'll put the filling. Okay. Pwede ni lugar karon sa filling. Ano bilog oh? There's bilog here oh. The bilog is not uh, oy mo lang, ay mo lang. Tawon ka lang, ko namin ni Guaya. This is experimental. Ay, bilog pa yaw. Hindi ko di kabalo palagpat lang niya ako ha. Yan. This is one mold. Ay, may ari pa sa kilid. Okay ah. Okay. So this will go to the freezer. And then I will melt this again sa microwave. Oo, bilog again. Okay. Sige lang. Ang taon tala kung ano ni Guaya. Karon. Ha? Okay. So, I will go to the freezer and then put this in the freezer and abangan. So, these are our chocolate that has been set. Now, I will apply this chocolate. Ay, hala, basi damo niya. I don't know. Sige lang. Ang taon ta lang eh. Okay. And then, ay, kasadya. Ang bato ka mo da. Karon man yung ko kabalo ko paano ni magbuta ang white sa babaw. Okay. Damo, no? Sige lang. And then, next, again, scoop some. Spread, spread, spread. Spread, spread, spread. Braman ka mo sinibla kay kasadya lang na do, sadya lang. Okay. Yan. And then we will apply the white chocolate again. Kay dali lang gida. Kailangan ikuha nung tanay tutin pa. Okay, so now we will go to the final part of the program. And that is, we will cover it with a chocolate layer. Okay. Dapat amo lang na, spread lang, no? Ganun lang. Mm. Mm. Sige lang, tsura yan ako. Do amo na. Ay, nako. It's so exciting to make this. Okay. This is the last one. There. Sobra naman eh. Kasi OA naman eh. Sige. Now, we will bring this again to the freezer. Mama, share ka sa freezer, ha? Dito ka lang to anay pamuyong, ha? So, this will go to the freezer again, and then I will show you once it is completely set. Dali lang. Now, it is fully set. Titig-an na siya. Oh, okay, let us... Wow! Ay! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! And then, let us have the other one. Tarang, tarang, tarang. So, paano ko na siya taguon? Ay! Look at that! Eee! The sun, it will break. It will break into... Yan! Okay. Tilawan tabi, kunamit. Ay, tin, tilawan ta, tin. Be, Mm. Namit! Kahon ta, everyone. Namit, namit.